Well, just did get some updated information from the National Weather Service office in Norman, Oklahoma. They have confirmed 9 tornadoes so far in their jurisdiction, which is largely central Oklahoma. 2 of those were EF2s, including one that hit in Norman. That's been the one that's been well documented and well publicized. Only came a mile from their office. Another one, an EF2 in Shawnee. That was a deadly one with a fatality, at least one fatality due to that particular tornado. All the blue dots here corresponding to wind damage, and there were some very high wind gusts. Memphis out in West Texas had a 112-mile-per-hour wind gust. That was a measured wind gust, and there were multiple reports of wind gusts over 70 miles an hour. The highest that we had here in North Texas was 58 miles an hour up in McKinney. Rainfall was not too impressive with this system as it was moving through. We had some isolated locations that picked up a quarter to a half inch of a rainfall, but most of us saw very light amounts as what's left of that line of showers and thunderstorms quickly moved through. Our next rain chance, a 30% one, mainly Wednesday morning. I don't see that as a severe weather setup. However, as we look into Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, that does look like a severe weather setup for at least parts of the area. 60% chance of storms, more than likely higher than that to our east. Now, this is the day 4 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. 15% severe weather risk in the yellow shaded region with a 30% risk as you head east of the Metroplex. I have a feeling, though, based on some of the latest computer model data, that we're going to see these risk areas moved farther west due to the slower progression of this next upcoming system. One we're going to have to closely monitor here the next couple of days. No problems tomorrow. It's just going to be a warm day up to 83. Mid to upper 70s Wednesday and Thursday, and then we get a quick shot of chilly air behind those storms with highs likely only in the upper 50s on Friday. 75 was today's high, 64 the average, so a little over 10 degrees above where we typically are for this time of the year, very late February. Currently low to mid 70s, partly to mostly sunny skies. Humidity is very low, so with that dry air, we should see temperatures cool off pretty quickly tonight. 74 Corsicana, 74 Granbury, and 73 at this hour up to our northeast in the Sherman-Denison area. In the wake of those big storms, it is very quiet across the entire region. We've got 84 down to our south at Corpus Christi, 75 at Abilene, and 76 degrees presently in Little Rock. So here's temperature cast showing lows tonight falling into the mid-40s to our north and northwest. I think we'll be in the upper 40s to start out your Tuesday morning here in both Dallas and Fort Worth. Beautiful day tomorrow. Certainly, if you like the warm temperatures, 74 by lunchtime, and we should reach a high tomorrow in the low 80s. 78, there'll be a chance of a shower or thunderstorm Wednesday morning. A much better chance of storms Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. That is a day to certainly watch very closely. Chilly then behind those storms. Friday's high 58, but we warm back up this weekend. 60 Saturday, about 70 on Sunday.